What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Fantom, guys. Currently sitting at 236. We're up about 10% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 5.91 billion, 24-hour volume 1.10 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into Fantom, guys. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. We broke out of our falling wedge pattern, and now we've broken out of a bull flag. So we do have a technical target to the upside. Oh, yeah, we've already basically reached this target, which is at about $2.42 for FTM. Now, do watch the indicators, guys. You can see money is flowing out while price is pushing up. Can be an early indicator of a move back down. However, you can also see consolidation and a strong uptrend if we do reverse the trend here and continue to break out. We're just flirting with our break even right now at 234. We've had 4 entries with our DCA strategy. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. And if you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. Don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. So we also have a beautiful double bottom on the daily. If I just open this up, just try to ignore all the noise here, but you can see we've created a beautiful double bottom, and your breakout target is all the way up here at about $3.28 for our friend FTM. We'll pop over to our next chart. I talked about the money flow being in the floor, guys. That is usually when you see a bounce, and that's what we're starting to see. We were in a technical target to the downside, but it looks like we've trapped the bears, and we're seeing a throwback. We're just pushing about we're just oh wow, get it together. We're just starting to push back above the daily EMAs, which is a strong sign. We're about to have the bullish cross on the MACD, which is an early indicator of a pump. You can see right here, bullish cross, massive pump back to the upside. So do keep an eye on that, guys. It's looking good right now, but what we want to see is we get back above the EMAs and we hold them as support, and then we can see our next impulsive wave for FTM. Take your Fibonacci from your swing high down to your swing low, and you would target the 1.618, which is coming in at $4.95 for FTM. We still have our bull run targets at $6 and $10.03 based off our Fibonacci pulled back from our May high and our Elliott wave theory, guys, where you have 5 impulsive waves leading back to the start of your bull run. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, and your final impulsive wave 5 for your bull run target, and my target is here at $10. Now, I did mention that we were having a bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, so I will go over the bearish scenario with you guys. Let me open this up. So you can see here, we basically created an equal high, but we created quite a lower high on the RSI as well as the money flow. But we have allowed the money flow to come back down here, so we couldn't validate it, guys. If we can come up and we can break this trend line of resistance, let me drop it in. If we can come up and we can break this trend line, guys, then we can invalidate that bearish divergence. But we have also had the bearish cross on the weekly. So those are things to keep in mind, guys, but you can see we beautifully bounced off the 20 EMA. Now, for the bearish scenario to play out, Bitcoin would have to basically shit the bed. And it looks like we could put in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern. The confirmation you're looking for, guys, is to get back above the 55 EMA, break 44K, and then we're reversing the trend and we're in an uptrend on the daily time frame. If that does happen, guys, then we're looking good to go for continuation. This is the last chance, in my opinion, for us to get rejected and to roll over and to come down to create some sort of double bottom or possibly go to 28K. If we break 44K, we get back above the 55, guys. Massive sign of strength that we're going to see our next impulsive wave to the upside for BTC. I do think that's the more likely scenario in my opinion, but we have trended up quite quickly on the RSI. So if we trend back up towards overbought, can be an early signal of a move back down. So do keep an eye on that, guys, as well as on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we're quite overextended. We're quite overbought on the 4-hour. And if we scroll back here, you can see we're overbought. We saw a move back down. But if we are starting an uptrend, what can happen, guys, is you come up to overbought, then you consolidate and you trend higher, guys. So 44K for BTC really is that major level resistance that we want to break. If that happens, we're going to see our next impulsive wave for FTM as well, guys. So that's basically it. We're getting back above the EMAs on the daily, which is exactly what you want to see. If we break 242, then we have a double bottom target that could take you all the way up to the previous high at about $3.20. $2.29. Now if we do come up, we hit resistance, we roll over, guys. 219 is your level of support, 191, which were our buy zones, and you can use those once again if you're looking to enter into Fantom, if you want a dollar cost average, guys. So that's basically it for FTM. Just a little update. Shout out to the Discord, where we have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, as well as the live DCA trades on the channel, and daily buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your trades, guys. It's $350 USD, the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.